In a small town nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a majestic and gentle creature named Atlas. He was a Dogue Allemand, more commonly known as a Great Dane. From the moment Atlas came into this world, he possessed an extraordinary presence that would leave an indelible mark on the lives he would touch. Atlas was born into a loving family who adored his every wrinkle and floppy ear. As a puppy, he was full of boundless energy and mischief. He would chase his tail in circles, pounce on leaves in the autumn breeze, and explore the world with wide-eyed curiosity. Despite his large size, he was gentle and kind-hearted, always seeking affection from anyone who would give it. As he grew older, Atlas underwent a period of rapid growth, transforming into a magnificent creature that towered above others. His deep, expressive eyes and sleek, charcoal-colored coat made him the center of attention wherever he went. Atlas became an embodiment of grace and elegance, capturing the hearts of everyone he encountered. Atlas's family recognized his incredible potential and decided to enroll him in obedience classes. With patience and dedication, Atlas excelled in his training, mastering various commands and techniques. He was a quick learner, always eager to please his humans. But it wasn't just his obedience that endeared him to people, it was his loving nature and unwavering loyalty that truly set him apart. Over time, Atlas's family realized that he had a unique ability to sense their emotions. Whenever they were feeling down or troubled, Atlas would nudge his large head against them, offering comfort and solace. His presence alone was enough to bring smiles to their faces and lift their spirits. In a way, he became their guardian angel, watching over them with unwavering devotion. As the years went by, Atlas ventured beyond his family's home and embraced the wider world. He became a therapy dog, spreading joy and happiness to those in need. He would visit hospitals, nursing homes, and schools, providing a sense of comfort and companionship to the sick, elderly, and young alike. Atlas had an uncanny ability to understand the needs of others, offering a gentle paw or a loving nuzzle exactly when it was needed most. His impact extended far beyond his therapy work. Atlas inspired his community to become more compassionate and empathetic. He became a symbol of unconditional love and acceptance, reminding everyone that kindness knows no bounds. People marveled at his noble stature and his heartwarming demeanor, finding solace and inspiration in his presence. As the twilight of his life approached, Atlas's body grew weary, and his steps became slower. But his spirit remained strong, and the love he had shared throughout his years echoed in the hearts of those he had touched. Eventually, he crossed the Rainbow Bridge, leaving behind a legacy of compassion and devotion. Today, Atlas's memory lives on, etched in the hearts of all who had the privilege of knowing him. His story continues to inspire others to live with kindness, to embrace their unique qualities, and to cherish the bonds they share with their beloved companions. Atlas, the gentle giant, will forever be remembered as a remarkable Dogue Allemand who left an indelible paw print on the world. In a cozy farmhouse nestled in the countryside, there lived a lively and lovable dog named Maximum. From the moment Max was brought into this world, it was clear that he was destined for a life filled with adventure, joy, and unconditional love. As a tiny puppy, Max was the epitome of cuteness. With his soft, fluffy fur and bright, curious eyes, he won the hearts of everyone he met. His days were spent frolicking in the meadows, chasing butterflies, and exploring the vast expanse of nature that surrounded him. As Max grew older, he developed a mischievous streak. He would dig up the flower beds, playfully chew on shoes, and embark on countless escapades that left his owners laughing and exasperated all at once. But despite his occasional mischief, Max was adored for his unwavering loyalty and his ability to bring happiness into the lives of his family. Max's family recognized his intelligence and boundless energy, so they decided to enroll him in obedience training. Max excelled in his classes, quickly learning commands and tricks with enthusiasm and a wagging tail. His intelligence shone through, and he became a model student, impressing both his trainers and his family. As the years passed, Max became a true companion to his family. He was there through the highs and lows, offering a comforting presence and unwavering support. Whether it was a game of fetch in the park or a quiet moment snuggled by the fireplace, Max was always by their side, reminding them of the simple joys in life. Max's adventurous spirit led him on many expeditions. He accompanied his family on hiking trips through breathtaking landscapes, splashing through streams and rolling in the grass. He experienced the exhilaration of racing along sandy beaches, the wind tousling his fur, and the scent of the ocean filling his nostrils. Max embraced every opportunity to explore the world, his zest for life infectious to all who knew him. Beyond his family adventures, Max also had a compassionate side. He would visit nursing homes and hospitals, brightening the days of those who needed it most. His gentle nature and empathetic eyes provided comfort and companionship to the elderly and the sick, bringing smiles to their faces and lightening their burdens. As Max reached his golden years, his boundless energy gradually waned, and his steps became slower. But his spirit remained vibrant, and his love for life never wavered. He enjoyed lazy days in the sun, basking in the warmth and contentment that comes with a life well lived. Max's family cherished each moment they had with him, grateful for the immeasurable love and joy he had brought into their lives. One peaceful day, surrounded by his loving family, Max peacefully closed his eyes for the last time. Although he was no longer physically present, his spirit continued to live on in the cherished memories and the profound impact he had on those who knew him. Today, Max's legacy lives on, woven into the tapestry of his family's lives. His story serves as a reminder to embrace every moment, to find joy in the simplest of things, and to love with all your heart. Max, the spirited and loving companion, will forever be remembered as a remarkable dog who lived a life filled with adventure, laughter, and unwavering devotion. The Dogue Allemand, also known as the Great Dane, is known for its impressive size and stature. On average, male Great Danes typically stand between 30 to 34 inches, 76 to 86 centimeters, at the shoulder and can weigh between 140 to 175 pounds, 63 to 79 kilograms. Female Great Danes are slightly smaller, typically measuring between 28 to 32 inches, 71 to 81 centimeters, in height and weighing between 110 to 140 pounds, 50 to 63 kilograms. It's important to note that these are general ranges, and individual dogs may vary in size. Great Danes are one of the largest dog breeds, and their towering presence often makes them a sight to behold. Raising a Dogue Allemand, or Great Dane, requires careful attention, patience, and dedication. Here are some essential tips for successfully raising a Dogue Allemand. Prepare your home. Great Danes are large dogs that need ample space to move around comfortably. Ensure that your home and yard are safe and secure, with no hazards or escape routes. Provide a cozy and spacious area for them to rest and sleep. Provide proper nutrition. Great Danes have specific dietary needs, especially during their rapid growth phase. Feed them high-quality dog food specifically formulated for large breeds. Consult with a veterinarian to determine the appropriate portion sizes and feeding schedule to maintain a healthy weight. Socialize early and consistently. Begin socializing your Dogue Allemand from a young age. Expose them to various environments, people, and other animals to help them develop good manners and become well-adjusted adults. Enroll them in puppy classes or obedience training to learn basic commands and proper behavior. Exercise and mental stimulation. Despite their large size, Great Danes are relatively low-energy dogs. However, they still require regular exercise to keep them healthy and prevent boredom. Daily walks, interactive play sessions, and mentally stimulating activities like puzzle toys can help keep them physically and mentally stimulated. Train with positive reinforcement. Use positive reinforcement training methods, such as treats, praise, and rewards, to teach your Dogue Allemand basic obedience commands and proper behavior. Great Danes respond well to gentle, consistent training and positive motivation. Regular veterinary care. Schedule regular checkups with a veterinarian to ensure your Dogue Allemmand's health and well-being. Vaccinations, parasite prevention, dental care, and routine examinations are essential for their overall health. Grooming and hygiene. Great Danes have short, smooth coats that are relatively low maintenance. Brush their coat regularly to minimize shedding and keep their skin healthy. Trim their nails regularly, clean their ears, and brush their teeth to maintain good hygiene. Provide love and attention. Great Danes are known for their gentle and affectionate nature. They thrive on love, attention, and being part of the family. Spend quality time with your Dogue Allemand, offering plenty. A Dogue Allemand, or Great Dane, has specific dietary requirements to support their growth, development, and overall health. Here are some key considerations for their diet. High-quality dog food. Choose a premium, commercially prepared dog food that is specifically formulated for large or giant breed dogs. Look for brands that provide a balanced and complete diet with high-quality protein sources as the main ingredient. Protein. Great Danes require a moderate to high amount of protein to support their muscle development and overall health. Look for dog foods that contain animal-based proteins such as chicken, beef, fish, or lamb. Controlled growth formula. During their rapid growth phase, it is important to feed Great Danes a controlled growth or large breed puppy formula. This helps ensure their bones and joints develop properly and reduces the risk of skeletal issues. Avoid overfeeding. Great Danes have a higher risk of certain health conditions such as bloat and obesity. It is crucial to avoid overfeeding and maintain a healthy weight. Follow the feeding guidelines provided on the dog food packaging and consult with your veterinarian to determine the appropriate portion sizes. Feeding frequency. Puppies require more frequent meals compared to adult dogs. Feed your Great Dane puppy 3 to 4 meals per day until they are around 6 months old. Then transition to 2 meals per day for adult Great Danes. Water availability. Provide your Dogue Allemand with access to fresh and clean water at all times. Great Danes can be prone to dehydration, so ensure they have access to water throughout the day. Treats and supplements. Limit the number of treats you give your Dogue Allemand and choose healthy, dog-friendly options. Avoid giving them table scraps or foods that can be harmful, such as chocolate, onions, or grapes. If you feel your Great Dane may benefit from supplements, consult with your veterinarian for appropriate recommendations. Great Danes, like all dogs, communicate their emotions and feelings through various signs and actions. While it's essential to consider individual personalities and behaviors, here are some general signs that may indicate whether a Dogue Allemand is happy or sad. Signs of a happy Dogue Allemand. Body language. A happy Great Dane often has a relaxed body posture. Their tail may be held at a neutral or slightly raised position, and their ears may be in a natural, forward position. Playfulness. A happy Dogue Allemand may exhibit playful behavior, such as zooming around, wagging their tail vigorously, and inviting others to play with them. Alert and engaged. They may be attentive to their surroundings, showing curiosity and interest in their environment. Their eyes may be bright and focused. Appetite and energy. A happy Great Dane usually maintains a healthy appetite and energy level. They eagerly eat their meals, engage in exercise, and participate in activities with enthusiasm. Relaxed facial expression. A content Dogue Allemand often has a relaxed facial expression with a slightly open mouth, relaxed jaw, and eyes that are not overly squinted or wide open. Signs of a sad or unhappy Dogue Allemand. Withdrawal or isolation. A sad Great Dane may exhibit behaviors such as withdrawing from social interactions, seeking solitude, or avoiding contact with people or other animals. Changes in appetite or sleep patterns. Loss of appetite or changes in eating habits, as well as excessive sleep or lethargy, can indicate unhappiness or underlying health issue. Reduced interest in activities. A normally active Great Dane who shows disinterest or lack of enthusiasm in previously enjoyed activities may be indicating sadness or discomfort. Changes in body language. A sad dog may display signs of tension or stress, such as a lowered head, droopy ears, a tucked tail, or a hunched posture. They may also exhibit trembling or excessive panting. Avoidance of eye contact. A sad Great Dane may avoid making eye contact or have a distant, unfocused gaze. It's important to note that these signs are general indicators and can vary from dog to dog. It's crucial to observe your Dogue Allemand's behavior and consider any changes in their routines, habits, or overall well-being. If you notice persistent signs of sadness or behavior changes, it's recommended to consult with a veterinarian to rule out any underlying health issues, or to seek professional advice on how to improve your dog's well-being. Dogue Allemands, or Great Danes, are known for their strong loyalty and devotion to their human companions. They form deep bonds with their families and are often eager to please and protect them. Here are some reasons why Great Danes are considered loyal dogs. Protective instincts. Great Danes have a natural protective instinct, and they often feel a strong sense of loyalty towards their family members. They are usually alert to potential threats and can be quite intimidating to intruders, making them excellent watchdogs. Constant companionship. Great Danes thrive on human companionship and enjoy being an integral part of their family's daily life. They are known to form strong emotional connections with their owners and are often found by their side, providing comfort and support. Dependability. Great Danes are reliable and dependable dogs. They are known for their steady temperament and are typically consistent in their behavior and loyalty towards their loved ones. Affectionate nature. Despite their large size, Great Danes are gentle and affectionate dogs. They often enjoy close physical contact, such as leaning against their owners or resting their heads on their laps. Their displays of affection reinforce the bond and loyalty they feel towards their humans. Readiness to please. Great Danes are generally eager to please their owners. They are intelligent dogs and can learn and respond well to training, which further strengthens the bond and loyalty between them and their human companions. It's important to note that individual dogs may vary in their level of loyalty and temperament, and factors such as socialization, training, and overall care can influence a Great Dane's loyalty. Building a strong bond with your Dogue Allemand through positive reinforcement, regular exercise, and spending quality time together will help foster and strengthen their loyalty towards you. Like all dog breeds, Dogue Allemands, Great Danes, can be susceptible to certain health issues. While not all individuals will experience these conditions, it's important for owners to be aware of potential health concerns associated with the breed. Here are some diseases and conditions that can affect Dogue Allemands. Gastric dilatation volvulus, GDV, or bloat. Great Danes, being a deep-chested breed, are at higher risk for GDV or bloat. This condition occurs when the stomach fills with gas or fluid and can twist, leading to potentially life-threatening consequences. Immediate veterinary attention is required if bloat is suspected. Dilated cardiomyopathy, DCM. DCM is a heart disease that can affect Great Danes. It involves the weakening and enlargement of the heart, leading to decreased heart function. Regular veterinary checkups and monitoring of heart health are important for the breed. Hip dysplasia. Great Danes can be prone to hip dysplasia, which is an abnormal development of the hip joint. This condition can cause pain, lameness, and mobility issues. Responsible breeding practices and regular exercise can help reduce the risk, but genetic factors can still play a role. Hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism is a hormonal disorder where the thyroid gland doesn't produce enough thyroid hormone. Symptoms can include weight gain, lethargy, hair loss, and skin problems. Treatment usually involves hormone replacement therapy. Osteosarcoma. Great Danes have a higher incidence of bone cancer, specifically osteosarcoma. It commonly affects the limbs and can cause lameness and pain. Early detection and treatment options, such as amputation and chemotherapy, may be considered. Wobbler syndrome. Wobbler syndrome is a neurological condition characterized by compression or instability of the spinal cord in the neck area. It can result in coordination difficulties, weakness, and neck pain. Diagnosis and treatment typically involve veterinary specialists. It's important to note that responsible breeding practices, regular veterinary care, a balanced diet, appropriate exercise, and maintaining a healthy weight can all contribute to the overall health and well-being of a Dogue Allemand. Regular veterinary checkups, early detection of any potential issues, and open communication with your veterinarian are crucial in managing the health of your Great Dane. The diseases mentioned, such as gastric dilatation volvulus, bloat, dilated cardiomyopathy, DCM, hip dysplasia, hypothyroidism, osteosarcoma, and Wobbler syndrome, are not contagious to humans. They are specific to dogs and do not pose a risk of transmission to humans. The treatment for these diseases varies depending on the specific condition and its severity. Here is a general overview of treatment approaches for some of these conditions. Gastric dilatation volvulus, bloat. Bloat is a veterinary emergency, and immediate medical attention is necessary. Treatment usually involves decompressing the stomach, stabilizing the dog, and potentially performing surgery to correct the twisting of the stomach. Dilated cardiomyopathy, DCM. DCM is managed through a combination of medications to support heart function and manage symptoms. Treatment may involve diuretics, ACE, inhibitors, and other medications to help regulate heart rhythm and improve heart function. Dietary changes, such as a specific cardiac supportive diet, may also be recommended. Hip dysplasia. Treatment for hip dysplasia can range from conservative management to surgical intervention, depending on the severity of the condition. Conservative management may involve weight management, exercise modification, physical therapy, and the use of anti-inflammatory medications or supplements. Surgical options include total hip replacement or femoral head arstectomy in more severe cases. Hypothyroidism. Hyperthyroidism is typically managed by administering synthetic thyroid hormone replacement medication to supplement the insufficient thyroid hormone levels. The medication is usually given orally on a daily basis, and regular monitoring of thyroid hormone levels is necessary. Osteosarcoma. Osteosarcoma treatment often involves a combination of therapies, which may include surgical removal of the affected bone, chemotherapy, and sometimes radiation therapy. Treatment is aimed at managing pain, controlling the spread of the cancer, and improving the dog's quality of life. Wobbler syndrome. Treatment for Wobbler syndrome may involve a variety of approaches, including medication to manage pain and inflammation, physical therapy, and lifestyle modifications. In some cases, surgery may be recommended to alleviate pressure on the spinal cord. It's important to note that the specific treatment approach for each condition should be determined by a qualified veterinarian based on a thorough examination, diagnostic tests, and individual patient considerations. If you suspect your Dogue Allemand may be affected by any of these conditions, it's recommended to consult with a veterinarian for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan.